Alright, y'all, it's a new day, a new dollar. Welcome back to the channel. I'm LLDAMIEN, and today in New Mexico, we're going to just adventure for a little bit. I think we're gonna go to the forest and walk around, get some sun, and then we're just gonna get some food and chill day. Alright, I'm gonna check back with you guys in a sec. Alright.
I'm trying to get another copyright thing.
So facts, bro. I'm not trying to deal with that. It's stressing me out. Alright, we're here, guys. Alameda, Rio Grande. Man's taking me to the border. The border.
Straight Spanish.
Straight Spanish. Maybe I'll get to utilize my AP Spanish knowledge here. Alright. Oh, shoot, bro. Y'all got lizards out here? Oh, shoot. Yo. Y'all got lizards out here. Oh, my gosh. A firefly, too? Y'all are crazy. Massachusetts. We don't need that. We don't need that in our state. Alright, y'all. We're looking for a river of some sort.
Are you sure it's not around here?
I don't know, man. This isn't my state. Shoot.
Yeah, let's go around here. I think maybe we can find something.
Alright, we're about to go around somewhere. But they got some cool trees over here, man. Cool trees. Look at the scenery, though. This is so different. So different, bro. It's mad cool. Yo, question of the video. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would it be? Comment down below and I'll highlight your response in my next video. Now, on to the rest of the vlog.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Have you ever been stung?
We gotta hit the beehive, man. I've never been stung by a bee before. I think we could outrun the bees, man.
Yeah, okay. Do you think this is Animal Crossing? Outrun the bees, bro.
Get my medicine, bro.
Good luck. Go ahead.
I'm not gonna be a risky boy. Maybe another day. Alright.
Got no food for you.
Yo, there's some
Find out I
turtles
brought you
over
some
here.
food, bro.
I don't have no food, man.
This boy hungry.
Gotta back up, man. Where you going, man?
Trying to get some nom nom.
Yeah.
Got no nom noms. They said.
Yeah, I think we found the sacred river. Found the river. It's kind of combined with this nice park over here. Yeah, it's a nice chill area, honestly. A lot of animals. They got ducks. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice out here. It's nice out here. Taking trips.
Yeah.
So, what's your first impression of this place?
It's dope. I think it's kind of cool. I don't know what I like better, if I like this place or the other places more. They're just different. I feel like you can't even compare them. They're just really different.
Okay. I think this place is cool. Nice chill area.
It's a cool spot. I would love to grow up around something like that.
Yeah.
Hang out with some friends and something like this. Cool.
Facts.
Don't hop.
Yeah,
Barbed
alright.
wires here.
I'm about to hop the fence.
Nah, don't do it. You're gonna break your feet.
Not the metal part.
I've
Not
already seen enough injuries for one of me.
Oh, we're doing the safe route. Let me see if I can jump over. Let's see. See
I
Damien
might
tops.
just stand here unless you...
Alright, let's see if I can hop the fence, boys. Hold on. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, trust. I have hops.
Go ahead. This is the fence, boyos. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Alright.
This is the river.
Look at them bugs.
Oh my gosh.
Birds?
Yo, imagine dropping your phone down here. It's a
GG.
wrap.
GG for your phone. There's other spots in New Mexico. If you drop something, GG. It's like just a huge cavern.
GG, bro. It's the end. It's the end. the complete end of all your tech.
You need a new phone.
Yeah,
You're
there's
not
no
recovering.
recovering that. They get washed away. Alright, this is probably the real river, guys.
Rivera.
The Rivera. Wait, so
Rio.
we're crossing the border right here.
Rivera isn't river. I think Rio is river.
Rio is river. You know,
No,
that
Rivera
Spanish.
means, though.
Spanish, no. Right there. Rio?
What's Rivera?
Rivera is a river. Wait, what?
Rio is river. What's Rivera?
Yo. Let me find out. My Spanish knowledge is lacking. I took it like 3 years ago though, so it's okay. But yeah, we're walking on the Rio Grande. We're about to go into Mexico right now. We're going upward.
Quicksand.
Alright. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Okay. Cool little roadway. Wow, look at the view. See those mountains over there? Oh my gosh.
Daniels. Pearl cycle.
Fast, man's going fast. Shoot, put him in the, what do they call it? The Paris one.
Put him in the Olympics.
Put him in the Olympics, at least. Put him in the Tour de France, bro. That man was going light speed. Alright, y'all. We had a cool little walk through the Rio Grande Alameda path. It's not really close to the border. I was just joking earlier, but you know, we had a cool little walk. We're gonna go eat at this taco spot. My brother knows. He says it's good, but we'll see. I'll be the judge, alright? We're gonna go eat at his house. Yeah, we just made it in a nick of time. They closed at 3. It's 2:55 right now. But yeah, let's see what they got.
Half pounds, 2 half pounds. 2 half pounds. Yeah. Two separate half pounds. Yeah.
Got it all closed up, man. Corona's ruining everything.
Wrong ROM.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna try these empanadas. See? No! This is not it.
What are you talking about? Finish it.
They got a pineapple in there.
Yes, finish it. What do you think it was?
I'm gonna finish it. You like it?
Oh.
Yo, first the boba, then this? Yo, you killing me out here, bruh.
This boy don't like sweets.
I don't even know, man. I don't even know. It's different. Alright, y'all, we got the food. Let's see how it is when we get back to his spot, his place. Alright. So what is all this, man?
Okay, so this is basically at barbacoa you make it yourself.
Alright.
So you start with the tortilla. Usually you take 2 tortillas and you put them together so that it's more thick. And then this is the actual barbacoa. This is the meat, really good. And then there's 2 sauces in that bag. There's the red sauce and the green sauce.
Oh, okay.
And then these are all the vegetables that you use.
They got the lime on deck. Okay, you gotta zest it up one time. Yeah.
So you make it yourself. I think it's better that way, low key, because you can do your own.
Alright, guys. Before I construct my taco, I'm gonna try out these sauces. They gave me a green and a red one. Alright.
I wouldn't try the sauces first. You're gonna ruin your palate.
No, I'm just gonna try it with my fork. It's okay. Alright. I didn't even get the water. Okay. The green one's alright. Yeah, it does seem a little mild. Alright, let me try the red one now. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! That red one's a force. Yo, let me go get a drink. I was surprised by this. They gave me a lot, so I can make a lot of tacos with this. This probably could last someone 2 days or something. But alright, time to construct my first one. Alright guys, time for the first bite. I finished constructing my little burrito. I put a little bit of the hot sauce in it. Let's hope it wasn't ill-advised. Okay. That's very tasty. I approve. I approve. I'll clean that up. But yeah, what was this place called again?
Barbacoa El Primo.
All right, guys, when you come to New Mexico, try out Barbacoa El Primo. They got the hookups. I don't know about those empanadas, but these tacos are legit. All right. All right, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We out.